Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make rainbow on LED lights step by step. Begin by powering the LED strip and connecting the controller to the strip output. Open your color control app or software and select an addressable mode. Define the number of LEDs per color band, then choose saturation and brightness levels. Test a short segment before committing to the full run to confirm timing and color spread. In this video, I will show how to make rainbow on LED lights step by step. Start by identifying power, ground, and data lines on the LED strip and controller. Match the controller data output to the strip data input direction. For long runs, plan extra power injection points to prevent dimming and color shifts. Use insulated connectors or solder joints and test continuity before sealing any connections to prevent intermittent failures. In this video, I will show how to make rainbow on LED lights step by step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty and enjoy comfort during long DIY sessions, plus they last through all your ladder climbs. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like the video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make rainbow on LED lights step by step. Open your controller app and select an addressable rainbow or gradient effect, then set the hue range and transition speed to taste. Adjust brightness and saturation so colors appear vivid without washing out. Map segments of LEDs to specific color bands if you want a repeating rainbow pattern. Save your settings as a profile so you can quickly reuse them later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.